Dear students, present situation is very dangerous. We are facing a very fatal disease, corona, which is caused by a fatal virus COVID-19. Nowadays, not only our country but the country of whole world are locked down. In this situation, we have decided to give you online classes so that you can keep your study continuous. This is important and necessary also. Here, I am starting the class for class 9, and because you are new students, you don't know me, so I am giving you my introduction first. I am DSP Singh and I will teach you social studies in class 9 and class 10. Okay, today I am going to start first chapter of your geography book. This is India, size and location. As you know, geography is very important subject. Without the knowledge of geography, you can't get clear knowledge of your history, of your economics, of your civics, and so on. Without the knowledge of geography, you can't get knowledge of your country, every creation of your country, every location, different states, and so on. So this is very important. This subject is completely based on geographical fact, and so this is very near to natural science because this is completely based on different facts. Here, regarding geography, regarding your first chapter, India, size and location, I want to give you a very brief picture of your country, that our country India is very vast and its civilization is very old, while other civilizations of the world are in very preliminary stage in childhood. Here exists a very developed civilization in those days too. Our country India gave so many things to the whole world from very ancient period. After independence, when we got independence in 1947, we made progress in different spheres, that in technological field, that in agricultural field, that in industrial field, that in culture, that in civilization, in all fields, in all sphere of life, we made a clear-cut progress. And from those days, we are giving different knowledge, different things to whole world. In present situation, that in the time of corona, we are giving a very good help to whole world. So our country India is a very important country in whole world, and taking information about our country is important for you and for everyone. First of all, I am giving you in size of your country. As you know, India is a very vast country. Regarding area, we are on 7th position in whole world. On first position is Canada. First position regarding area, on first position is Canada. The total area of this country is 17.07 million square kilometer. 17.07 million square kilometer. On second position is no, I am wrong here. On first position is Russia. On first position is Russia. Sorry. On second position is Canada. The total area of Canada is 9.97 million square kilometer. 9.97 million square kilometer. On third position is USA. United States of America. The total area of USA is 9.80 million square kilometer. 9.80 million square kilometer. On fourth position is China. On fifth position is Brazil. On sixth position is Australia. And on seventh position is our India. Whose total area is 3.28 million square kilometer. The total area of our country, India, is 3.28 million square kilometer. Just here, I am stopping my first lecture. I will be continue from here in second lecture. Okay?